Yahoo Mail's interface had changed over the years, but if you prefer the classic, which is the older layout of Yahoo, you can switch to it on a web browser. This view has a simpler, traditional inbox design. So the steps to switch to classic view is, you need to first go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your specific account, and you will see the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen that is below the home. Go ahead and tap on more settings. Now once you're in this page, you need to tap on switch to older layout of Yahoo, and if you've already done it, you'll see the option of switch to basic mail. So go ahead and tap on that specific option and you'll be done. Yahoo sometimes removes the classic view in the newest updates, so this option may not appear for all users. Classic view is only available on desktop browsers, not in the mobile app. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.